Lecture recording with Zoom. Create a meeting if you haven't created one. Log into the Moodle course. Inside the Zoom block, click Create a Meeting button. After you create a meeting, log into the Hong Kong Use Zoom portal. Go to the Meetings section, and you will see the recurrent Zoom meeting with the same course ID of your course. Click the Edit button to edit it. Enable automatically recording and save it in the cloud. Finally, save the setting. At the beginning of the lesson, log into your Moodle course and start the Zoom meeting by clicking the Start Meeting button. Make sure the cloud recording icons appear at the upper left corner of the Zoom room. After the lesson, you can share the video's recordings with the following steps. Go to the Hong Kong Use Zoom portal and click the Recording section. Locate the recordings you want to share and click the Share button. You can manage the sharing options. For example, you can disable the download button, or you can add a passcode to protect your video. Copy the sharing information. Go back to your Moodle course and click Turn Editing on. Click Add Activities or Resources. We are going to use the label Resources to present the Zoom recording information. Paste the recording information here and save and return to the course. Now, your students can use this link to watch the video's recordings.